Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure battery is above 50% and you have any account credentials ready because those prove ownership. Once done, power off the Redmi and press volume up plus power to boot into recovery. This gives you full reset options. You do this because recovery bypasses the locked UI and lets you clear the screen lock. Make sure to note the exact model name. Different Redmi builds show slightly different menus that change the next steps. Now navigate recovery menus to wipe data or factory reset. Use volume keys to move and power to select. You choose a full wipe because that removes the encrypted lock credentials stored in user data. Confirm the action. This is irreversible for personal files. Then wait. If MIUI prompts for your My account after reboot, you must sign in. That activation lock protects the device and verifies ownership. If you know your Google account instead, try that when prompted to complete setup and regain access. Finally, choose Reboot System now and go through the setup wizard. This reinstalls the default lock-free profile so you can set a new PIN or pattern. You do this because the factory reset removed the previous lock but may trigger activation protection. If factory reset protection or My account lock appears, sign in with the original account credentials to unlock. If you cannot, contact Xiaomi support or an authorized service. Proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.